Very few people know what goes on behind the scenes of a factory, but Sunon knows. Not only do we know, but we have a dedicated engineering team to help optimize your cooling needs. Sunon has standard parts or can provide custom designed solutions for manufacturing and the machines running in them. It takes time and a comprehensive understanding of a market to create the most efficient solutions. As companies struggle with new Industrial 4.0 challenges to be more efficient, Sunon also has a wide range of off-the-shelf solutions in stock at our distribution partners. COVID-19 has had a significant impact on production and supply chains around the world, but it does not stop the need for essential services. Not only has Sunon been able to support the supply chain needs to these critical markets, but we have also been actively involved in custom designs. Sunon has been an essential supplier and partner for ventilators, respirators, and germicidal systems being actively used in the ongoing battle against COVID-19. Sunon is known for quality products, but we also have one of the strongest engineering teams to help design a total custom solution. With several motor designs for larger industrial applications, please contact your local Sunon contact to hear what else we have to offer and how we can help you design the best solution possible. Sunon, the total thermal solution provider.